welcome back to the channel. Welcome to part 7 on the Lexus Ironman engine bay. We're moving on to the last stages of the artwork. I'll give you a little pan round now if you've just come across to the channel and you're looking at this video now. So we've done the Ironman artwork on these engine parts. We've got the hand with the wires, got the helmet with the wires coming out, we've got the arm across the front, we've got other bits that are textured up. We've got the centerpiece with the Lexus logo, we've got the Ironman chest plate there, and we've got another case in here. Now the next stage on the artwork is to put Stark Industries logo. We're going to have screwdrivers, pliers, another screwdriver there, and we're going to put all these intricate pieces, and these ones are going to be more photorealistic, just laying over the actual pieces on these. So that's what we're doing. I'll stick you in time lapses because this will be ridiculously long video if I don't. I'm going to get these cut out, get the TV set up, and we'll make a start. So I'll see you in the first time lapse. Around what I've just done, put some textures in. I've dropped the Stark Industry logo in there, and we've just dropped some of the weathered away textures coming round. Just a little bit of rust on it just to age it back a bit on these bits here. Sharpened up a few more little highlights. So the center section to that piece there is done. We're going to drop a screwdriver lane on here. That'll be next. So I'll stick in a time lapse of that. But everything's coming along nice, everything's cut out and ready to go. So I'll see you in the next time lapse. We've got the screwdriver in with the drop shadow, so that's looking nice and realistic on there, little electrical screwdriver. So the next piece we're going to move on to is this piece here. We've got some pliers and another screwdriver to put on this piece and some textures. So I'll see you in the next time lapse. There you go, we've got the pliers in with the drop shadow, so they're looking nice and realistic. We're going to do some textures around here, a little bit of rust, and then this piece will be finished, but they've gone in really well. I'll see you in the next stage. guys, we are all finished on the artwork. Probably didn't capture much in the time lapse. I've had trouble with the camera today, been turning off because it's quite warm. When you run it for so long it overheats, turns itself off. Didn't realise, so I didn't capture much, but I'll give you a little pan around now. I've put all the pieces together how it would be under the engine bay, and I'll give you a look. So there you go, I'm moving closer so you can see. We've got all the textures, my logo in there, so that looks like it's engraved in. We've got the Iron Man arm in with the textures all around it. We've got these small cases here with the textures. Then we move up to the electrical wire cutters. Got them in. Then we've got the set of pliers in with the cable running underneath it. Textures all around the Iron Man helmet. Moving on to the centerpiece, we've got the 3D screwdriver, electrical screwdriver at the top. All the textures, Stark Industries logo dropped in there. Same as my logo to make it look like it's engraved in. More textures coming round on this piece to finish that centerpiece off. You've got all the wires coming through, and at the bottom, and then you've got the hand on this side. We've got all the textures on here, and there's the hand. So that's the finished artwork on the Iron Man engine bay. We've got all the pieces in. I hope you can join me in the next one, which will be clear coating all this. I'll take you through a full clear coat stage. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe, press that notification, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.